Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Better Homes and Gardens, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Better Homes and Gardens, start by visiting their official website. Once you're on the home page, locate the registration or sign up button. This is typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be directed to a new page featuring the registration form. Begin by entering your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, provide a valid email address. Make sure to use an email you have access to. Create a strong password that meets the required criteria. Re-enter your password to confirm it is correct. If there are options for communication preferences, select your preferences based on how you would like to receive updates. Review any terms and conditions or privacy policies provided. Once you have read through them, check the box to agree. Look for the Submit button at the bottom of the registration form. Click the Submit button to complete your registration. A confirmation email will be sent to the address you provided. Check your inbox for this email. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the confirmation email and follow the instructions within. This often involves clicking a link to verify your email address. Once verified, you'll be redirected back to the Better Homes and Gardens website. You are now successfully registered and ready to explore all the features available to you. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.